What is up, guys? Piece of Geek here, and this is a part 2 of smoke detector drop test / what's inside video. And I got the second smoke detector here, and then we're gonna throw two of them up at the same. Well, actually, we'll see what happens. You know, we're not gonna give it away. So let's get started. Waist height, face down. 3, 2, 1. That felt pretty easy. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put this together every single time, but I'll do it for YouTube. Let's see. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Head height. I'm gonna get a good angle. Head height. Face down. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, like I said, all the things are made better. Throw up. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Okay, throw up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that broke. You got your modular right here, which came apart from the. Well, actually, it didn't come apart. It's perfectly okay because you can just snap it back on like this. So we'll call it a survivor for now. Yeah, for now. Okay, so throw up high. 3, 2, 1. You can see the wreckage of the other one right here if you guys haven't seen that video. What happened? Oh, here it is. Well, guys, I'm going to do this special treatment once again. And part 2, like I said, this is part 2 of what's inside / job test of a smoke detector. So, let's get started. Ready? I'm going to poke a hole right in the middle. It's destroyed. Give it a good one. Well, like I said, we're gonna do it well, I didn't say it, but like, we're gonna do it the hard way. There we go. Got that. Toss it over there. So that part's destroyed. Now, we're gonna get the other half, and then we're gonna do the modular. Other half, ready? Like this. If you guys have any ideas of ways we can make this more extreme, besides fire, obviously, or dangerous chemicals, or radiation, or whatever, make sure to put that in the comments below, because I would like to improve. If you guys could help me improve my videos, that'd be really cool. That's destroyed. Now, the best part, we got the modular. Destroyed speaker. It's pretty heavy duty, and it just flew up in the face. Destroyed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.